Hello everyone, another update on the CYD launcher, and today is about the game app, and this will be my last updates on the game. I don't think I'm gonna add more. I'm not working on any anyway. So on the last video we did the bid-day and to-do list, so now I've added Snake, Sudoku, and the 15 puzzle. This is basically I don't remember how it is called, but you have to put these squares in a series, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the rest. So this is basically a puzzle. You move this and you are supposed to put we already did the 1, so we need to somehow move the 2 there. So okay, now we did it, and now somehow we need to move the 3, and we did it, and now we're stuck anyway. So this is the game. I'm sure you know, you have seen this before. And what else? So Sudoku, everyone knows Sudoku. I love it. So this is just a normal one. You pick a square, and then from the right here you choose whichever number you think it needs, and it also alerts you if you did a really silly mistake. For example, we can see that here 8 already exists, and if we choose the 8 again, you can see that it is red, and so you just press clear and you think more about it and you move on. So what else? And Snake, this is just for fun. It's not really easy playable, especially if the food is near the wall. I usually lose because you have to be really quick with the arrows here. So that's it. We have 7 games, so this launcher is already getting really populated. This was really a great project. I have, I think, 2 more I'm working on, 2 more apps, and that will be it. And I will upload the final code with everything included, of course, for free in the description. So that was it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.